Next topic today we have to do is arc. Firstly, we have to understood what is arc. Let us suppose this is the circle, this is the center of the circle and it is represented by point O. Now consider any 2 points, whatever you people want. Let us suppose here this is the point X. On the boundary of the circle you have to select any 2 points. Let us suppose this is the point Y. Get it? Now we have to do arc. What I have done still now, this is the circle, this is the center of the circle. Mark any 2 points on the circle. This is X point and this is Y point. Get it? Now here I have written the word, this is major arc and this is minor arc. Firstly, let us understood what is major arc. Major means larger. This word meaning is larger. Major means larger. G and J. Major means larger and minor means smaller. Get it? Major means larger and minor means smaller. Now, let us see. Now see, what is arc? This is an arc. This is an arc. Means let us suppose this is the circle and if I want to just represent only this portion, so this is an arc. From this point to this point, if I want to talk from this point to this point only, so that means this is an arc. This is an arc. So that is an arc. Get it? Now major arc and minor arc. Now you people are very smarter. Now see, this portion of the circle that I have highlighted, I think you people understood this thing, that this portion is smaller than this portion. Get it now? Means this portion, I think you people understood this thing, this portion that I am doing now, this portion is smaller than this portion and smaller means minor arc. So that means this is the minor arc. Get it? And this portion, this is the major arc. Major means larger and minor means smaller. That highlighted more, that portion is smaller. So that means that portion is represented by minor arc. Now, in your book also, let us suppose this is any point A that is given to you. Get it? Now see, here this is minor arc. Minor arc. What is the name of the minor arc? Means you have to start from this point and move towards this point only. Means X, Y. X, Y, and upper side you have to write it like this way. This is the symbol of the arc. This means, this by itself means arc X, Y. Get it? Now see, major arc. When you have to write major arc, then you have to move from this point and move like this way. When you people are moving, then A point also comes. So firstly X point you people found, then A point you people found, then obviously Y point also you people can found. So the name of this arc is XAY and write it like this way. Here opposite things also happen. Suppose if anybody start its journey from Y point, then firstly Y point come. So write it Y point, no problem in this. Then after that A point comes, so write it A. Then after that X point comes, so that is also okay. These two are correct. Get it? So this is the major arc, this is the minor arc. I am repeating the full thing. Let us suppose this is the circle, this is with center O. Here this I have highlighted, that is smaller portion of the circle. So that means that is the minor arc. Minor means smaller and major means bigger, like this way. I hope you understood this.